Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable poofy icy Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need: a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems attached, 6-inch and 10-inch deco mesh, ribbon, scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So once again, the first thing I do is raise all of my stems prior to placing my mesh, just because it makes the process a lot smoother. So I'm going to start with my 10-inch mesh. I'm going to layer the blue on top of the white, and then I'm going to fold it to a nice little point and start on my inner stem. Place my mesh and twist it a couple of times. I'm going to make a poof and place it on my next stem and twist it. Now the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. You can make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be. You can even measure the poofs if you choose to do so. But I just kind of estimate. So make another poof, place my mesh, and twist it. And I'm just going to continue repeating this step all the way around the inner ring. Right, when I come back to my starting point, I'm just going to make a poof, untwist my stem, place my mesh, and then twist it all back together. And then I'm going to cut away the excess mesh. And then tuck it away. Now moving on to the outer ring. Place my mesh, make a poof, and then place it on the next outer stem. And again, just like on the inner ring, all the way around the outer ring. Alright, once again, coming back to my starting point, just like on the inner ring. And I'm going to cut away the excess mesh. And tuck it away. It's looking so cute and poofy already. I did make this one extra poofy because that's the look I was going for, but you can make it less poofy if you prefer. I have a decent amount of mesh left over, so I think I'm actually going to cut this mesh into 10-inch long pieces and then place them throughout my wreath in cute little curls. Sometimes when you start making a wreath, you can get a new idea or want it to go a different way, which is completely fine. Just go with whatever you like and just be creative and have fun with it. I do think I still want to add the ribbon though. So I have my really pretty ribbon. Just going to scrunch it, find the stem, and twist, place my ribbon, and twist it back. I'm going to go from the inner to the outer rings, just alternating, so because I wanted to have that like cascading overlapping effect. So I'm going to scrunch it and take it to my outer stem and then come back to the inner. I'm going to just place this ribbon all the way around my wreath. Alright, so I have all of my ribbon placed. Now I'm going to add curled pieces of mesh to each stem. I have cut my mesh into 8-inch long pieces, and what I'm going to do is roll them into cute little curls, just like that, crisscross. Pick a stem, untwist, place my mesh, and twist it. And this time I'm going to tuck away my stems because I'm not going to add anything else to that stem. So once again, roll it to a cute little curl, both pieces, crisscross, scrunch, pick a stem, place my mesh, and twist it. And once again, tuck it away. So I'm going to place my ribbon bundles on the inner ring as well as the outer ring. all of my mesh on the inner and outer rings. It looks so cute and poofy. Now I'm just adjusting my poofs. I'm not going to separate the layers. I'm going to keep them layered because I think it's just so cute and precious. You can add cute little snowflakes and adorable sign to the center. Any other like snowman or fun embellishments that you prefer. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.